Hey, John Wilson here from high-ticket-affiliate-coach.com, and welcome to this video on how to make a sales page for a digital course. Now, we're going to cover how to do this and do it quickly and easily without complicated tech, how to format it, the sections it should contain, and how to set it all up ready to make sales. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you how to have AI write all the sales copy for you. And while you're there, if you like videos about online business, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to this channel. Now, we're going to be doing this demo with ThriveCart, and this is an awesome software I've been using for years in my digital product and coaching business. And I love it because you can use it to host your digital course and sell it as well. And it's really easy to use for non-techies. So here we are inside of ThriveCart. We've got the demo product that we created previously. So we're just going to go in to edit that. We've set names for it. We've set the price and all of that. And in order to get a sales page for it, all we have to do is go to the checkout. So instead of the standard cart page, we're going to select the sales cart, okay? And then we want to click design and launch editor. Okay, so you'll see that this is a bit like a cart. So it's got the cart at the bottom, okay? And above it, we can put anything we like. Now, normally with a sales page, you don't want a big logo at the top. So I'm going to delete that. And we can put in a heading. So you definitely want a heading at the top of your sales page. Okay, so you want a compelling headline at the top there, and then you've got a couple of options. So you can insert a video in there. So you can just drag in a video, and you'll just need the embed code from YouTube or Vimeo or wherever it is that you're hosting the video, and that can be your sales video there. Or you can have you can put in text, so you can have video and text, of course. So you can have the sales video at the top and then sales copy underneath that. But basically, the customer is going to watch your sales video, then they're going or read the text underneath it, and then when they get to the bottom of the page, they will have the opportunity to purchase your product. So once you're finished editing, you just click next and then save and get URL. And then this is the link to your sales page now. So you can view your checkout and see what it looks like. So I didn't actually embed a video, but it's got the headline there, and obviously if you had put any text, then you would see that underneath. So as promised, we're going to have a look at how we can get AI to write the sales page for us. Now, the AI is never going to be able to write 100% of the sales page for us because it doesn't know the ins and outs, the details of our product and so on. However, we can use AI to write maybe 70, 80, 90% of it, and then we just kind of tweak it till it's ready to go. Now, how we do this is we use something called a prompt. A prompt is like a kind of an instruction set or a recipe that you give to the AI to tell it what to do to do the task, in this case, a sales page. Now, I've put one of these together. You'll find the prompt in the description underneath this video, and you can use that to just fill in the gaps and put it into the AI. Now, we're going to be using ChatGPT for this. So if you don't have an account for ChatGPT, you can go to chat.openai.com and create a free ChatGPT account if you don't have one already. But filling that, what I'll do is I'll take the prompt now and I'll walk you through it and put it into ChatGPT and see what it comes up with, okay? Okay, so here we are inside of ChatGPT, and I've pasted the prompt into the chat box at the bottom here. Now, when you get the prompt, you'll have to fill in the blanks here. So the course topic, you'll put in your own course topic. So for this example, I'm going to use intermittent fasting. And you also want to put in your target audience because you'll get a better result if the AI knows who you're writing this for, okay? So in this case, we're going to go busy men over 40, and we're going to call this warrior fasting, okay? And so I've said in the style of, so Dan Kennedy is a very talented copywriter. I don't know how much ChatGPT knows about him, we'll see, but can't go wrong just giving it a bit of extra instruction. So we're saying it should be about around 2,000 words long. Should include an attention grabbing headline at the top. Go into detail first of all about the problem. That's the way you should always write your sales letter. So talk about the problem, stimulate a response from the person who's reading it, and then go into present now this should be solution, present the solution, and have a section for proof. So if you've got your testimonials or proof from elsewhere that this works, then you want to present the offer. That is your course and all the bits and bobs that you're going to give it with it. Then give a guarantee and use some kind of scarcity tactic. So that could be, the offer's closing in 2 weeks' time. Obviously, you want to be honest about whether it is or not. Or perhaps you could say you're going to get certain bonuses with it if they take actions within a particular time period, and then you want a strong call to action at the end to tell them what you want them to do next. Okay, and that's going to be fill in the order form at the bottom of the page. And then we always want attention grabbing sub headlines throughout to keep people's attention, and also for people who just skim the sales letter, they'll still get an idea of what your offer is about. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Okay, so here's what ChatGPT has come up with, and you can take this, you can copy it, and you can paste it into your sales page or your favorite text editor, and you can knock it into shape and use that as the basis for your sales letter. So I hope that helps. So tell me, do you think you'll use AI to help write your sales page, or will you do it the old-fashioned way? Let me know in the comments below. Now, I originally got ThriveCart because I needed to set up funnels and to sell my digital course quickly, and I didn't have time to mess about with complicated tech stuff. Also, one of the main things that sealed the deal for me was that ThriveCart is an affordable one-time payment and not a monthly charge. So ThriveCart's main competitor charges up to $299 per month for a similar software. Now, if you decide to pick up ThriveCart today through my link in the comments under this video, then I'll give you access to a couple of exclusive bonuses for free. So click that link and you'll find out what those bonuses are. Certainly one of them is going to be my own digital course on how to create and launch your own digital course, and that's a $997 value. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a sales funnel for a digital course and also 5 genius upsell ideas. So you can watch that here now. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell for notifications before you go. So bye for now. God bless.